Sudfeld checks the line of scrimmage, checks the sideline, takes the snap, looks downfield, fires it right down the middle, and there's Kobe Hughes. He makes the catch, and touchdown! Here's the snap. Sudfeld looks left, throws the ball in the end zone, and Ted Moses there wide open. Touchdown, Indiana! Reynolds, the quarterback, hands it to Swain. He gets hit, and he'll go down! They didn't get it in! The Coleman, he turns it upfield and scores! A 7-yard touchdown run by Tevin Coleman. Here's Reynolds back to throw it, throws it to the end zone, and it is knocked down. Great defensive play by Tim Bennett. Throw to the sideline to Shane Wynn, tries to make it happen. Shane dives for the end zone, and did he get it in?
The official went down.
He gives him the touchdown. Here's Reynolds, who finally gets caught in the backfield, and Nick Mangieri got to him. Nate sets up in a shotgun. Houston in the backfield with him. 3 wides on the left side. Here is Sudfeld taking the snap, looking downfield, rolling to his left now, looks, throws the football in the back of the end zone. The catch